Hey guys, Gaming Eagle 224 here, and today, I just wanted to be talking about 1.9 and some of the things that are going to be coming. For whatever reason, it's not letting me get the snapshot at the moment, but I'll try and get that and do a video about it soon enough. But guys, I just wanted to say, if you've not seen any videos about it already, then I'm just gonna say there's beetroot in it, because I hate beetroot in real life. I'm just taking the chance. I mean, I'm just never gonna eat beetroot in 1.9. I'm just saying, well, beetroot soup. Well, that was a bunch of like that. But at the moment I'm playing on factions. I don't really record this because I need a better recorder. But if you guys want to see a factions video, like a faction series, me and my friend were talking about it a couple of days ago. We said that we could just go on a faction server and then just show a bunch of like tips and tricks and stuff. So I'll put the IP in the description. Um, so yeah, but I'm never gonna eat beetroot. I'm just saying. Well, that lag was real. But yeah, that's all I wanted to say. I'm never gonna eat beetroot. You can't make me. Even in like a survival games, only food I've got is beetroot soup. Never eat it. Just saying. And also, they're gonna be bringing out dual wielding, which most of you probably already know. I'll try and get a video out about it. But yeah, there's also like dual wielding. You'd have like a pickaxe in one hand and like a torch in the other. Then you can go mining and stuff like that. There's also going to be shields in 1.9, but it's not in the snapshot currently. But anyway, guys, that yeah, I just wanted to say that I'll never eat beetroot soup in Minecraft. Um. Okay, please leave a like and also subscribe if you're new and check out some of my other videos. That'll be it for now. See ya.